Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video, I will discuss about many people are struggling, in logical programming skill. So if you are working in automation test engineer profile or development profile or DevOps profile, so nowadays the company is looking for you are good in the logical programming. Okay, but like I can give you the one example of my core Java, right? So interviewer will ask you how to rate out of 10, right? So how to rate out of 5, so we can rate minimum like 7 rating out of 10, or out of 5 you can rate 3. And you have to make the level, like if you rate 3 and you don't know the concept, then you having the very bad impression in front of the interviewer. So nowadays I have attended many interview. So 90 out of 100, right? So they having the some question of the label, or out of 100, 50 more than 60% depend upon your logical programming. If they will ask you the code, if you wrote in front of the interviewer, then definitely you will select over there. Nobody will stop here. But the big problem is that many people are struggling how to improve the logical programming, and they are struggling how to do the practice, right? And you have to do the practice yourself. There is no shortcut to develop the logical programming, improve your logical programming. So I can give you one example of the Java, right? I know the Java concept, but every programming language we have one your logical programming a skill, and one is your concept. Concept means how you are good in the up concept, how you are good in the collection concept, interface. So these are the concept. Again, 50% depend upon your logical programming. 20% they can check your what is your concept, like how good are in the concept, like in the core Java, how you are good in the up concept, how good are good in the string concept, how you are good in the collection framework, right? But again, totally depend upon your logical programming skill. So I can give you some tips how to do the preparation for your logical programming. First of all, block your 1 hours every day. Okay, 1 hours every day you can block. This is the minimum practice you have to do. Like I am working in your Java Selenium. I'm not able to write the code in front of the interviewer. I'm not able to understand the code when I see the solution. So first of all, you have to learn the basics, like how if else condition will work, how for loop will work. You can take the small code, and you can understand the concept of the how the do while loop will work, how while loop will work, switch statement will work. So these are the basics of developing your logical. So first of all, you having the very clear concept of this operator concept. You having the very clear concept of that. Then after that, you can go for the any website. For your interview question, you will get many interview question. I always prepare the Java concept of the day. That is a very good site, and mostly questions are repeated in the interview as well. So first of all, you have to learn the basics, if else concept, for loop, while loop. If you will good in this concept, then you can move in you can pick a small simple code and try to do yourself. If you are not able to do, try yourself 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Try your best to resolve the problem yourself. Got it, right? After that, if you are not able to do, go through the solution. Don't get frustrated if you are not able to do the code yourself. Don't get frustrated. If you are beginner, this situation will come 100%. Nobody is perfect. Everybody is doing the practice, and you can do the practice also. You are able to write the code, and you are able to crack any interview. Okay, so if you are not able to do, try yourself 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Spend your time. Don't worry if you are failure. Don't worry if you are not able to do. No worry at all. Okay, then after that, go through the solution. Type all the code on your editor. Okay, you can use the Eclipse or any other editor. I will prepare. You can use any editor, and after that you can type all the code on your Eclipse. Okay, why I'm going to tell you? Then after that, write all the code in your notebook and try to do dry run how this code is working yourself. Okay, first time it is very difficult for you, because I faced the same problem. Very difficult for you if you never do these things. Very difficult, and you feel bored also. But don't worry, 1 hour block your time. Same thing you have to do, right? After writing the code, write the code on your notebook, and after that try to do dry run. Dry run means how this each iteration of the code is working, you know, how the control is going. After dry run, you can go through the Eclipse and you can debug the code, and you can see whatever you have done dry run yourself on your notebook, is it correct or not. If it is not correct, you can take the help from the Eclipse, debug, how to do the debug. If you are not aware how to do the debug in the Eclipse, search on the Google, YouTube, you will get many video. Each iteration, whatever the value is coming, right, you will get over there. That is called dry run. Then after that, correct on your notebook. Same code you can do yourself. Again you can do dry run. Like that, if you will do the practice, after 1 month, you will, you having the confident, you will get the, you can see your changes yourself. Okay, so same thing you can apply, guys. Definitely this tips will helpful for you guys if you are struggling, but you have to do regular practice. If you will not do the regular practice, it will not work for you. Every day 1 hour block your time and do the practice for the same, and you are very confident to write the code in front of the interviewer. Hope so this video will helpful for you, or this tip will helpful for you. Many people are struggling because of logical programming. I also applied the same thing myself, and I have seen changes in myself, how we can explore the logical programming skills. So you guys can also do the same. Definitely you having the more confident and you are able to write the code in front of the interviewer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is profitable for you, or any feedback regarding this video, please share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. I always try to give you the solution, the people who is struggling to get the job, to crack the interview as experience level. And I made the many video. You can go through my playlist, be having the real-time interview question and answer. Many people are struggling. They did not work in the real time, but are struggling to get the job as a real time. They having the technical skill, but they don't know what is the environment of the company, which type of the question they will ask you in the managerial round, client round, technical round, first round, second round. You will get all the solution over there. So again, thank you so much. Please share and subscribe and press bell icon. We will see you in the next video.